giving a voice to all, for one sole and unique purpose, to unite the daughters and sons of Abraham, of all faiths, of all nationalities, to restore memory and rebuild lost unity, to celebrate a shared millennial culture, rich in its musical, ceremonial, spiritual, and cultural diversity, to revive the common civilizational roots, from Moses Maimonides and Averroes to Al-Farabi and Martin Buber, bridging the gaps of time and space with shared wisdom and dialogue, spreading messages of peace, understanding, and solidarity. Let us make coexistence triumph on the airwaves of hope. Abraham Radio.